our driving question for today, you're going to get some lingo, is going to be why PBL. So we don't necessarily assume that you're convinced that this is the right thing for you. So this is going to be exploring PBL, why PBL is a good method for teaching. And I look at it as a structure, not necessarily throw away everything you know about good teaching. It's a structure to frame good teaching methods that you're already using. So there's room in PBL for all different kinds of teaching. But we're going to explore that today, and that's going to be our driving question today and next week. It'll take us that long to get through it. Hopefully we'll get through everything. This is a kind of a 3-day thing. We're crammed into 2. So, but hopefully there'll still be time for you to work in there. And the process will be, you're going to go back and forth from a role of kind of being a student to being a teacher. So sometimes you'll be learning about PBL through doing PBL, because I'm not going to stand here and lecture at you for 2 days. That's not how this is going to work. So I'll share some examples and such, but we want you to go through the PBL process to learn the PBL process. And well, I'm getting ahead of myself, but we'll get to that in a minute. So we're going to start with knows and needs to knows. And so first of all, we want to ask you some questions. What do you know already about PBL? So we're going to write them down right here. Just shout out things that you already know about PBL.